Hello, this is Martin at PRS Home Water Damage Services. We're continuously working on this water damage loss here in San Diego. We are starting to remove the wet drywall in the affected areas, and we're going to walk the job to determine the extent of the wet material to justify the removal. We're cutting approximately 4 to 5 inches from the floor up. This is to remove any wet drywall. Since it was gray water, it's better to remove it since I don't know exactly what was in it. So as you can see, this is wet here. This was all flooded. So you're looking at part of the family room. This is part of the coming up towards the kitchen here. The steel plate exposed framing is very wet. This goes all the way along around the base. So we'll follow around the moisture and remove what is wet. Pretty much going to come down this hallway and around the perimeter. Since this here is wet here. This is wet. The inside of this room, closet, very wet also. Laundry room here, wet. This is the wall behind the kitchen, wet. This is the guest bedroom. This is all very wet. We'll be cutting out what was wet once again due to it being gray water. So this is Martin at PRS Home Water Damage Services. Flood restoration.